Hello and welcome back to the Weighted Native Chronicles. Today, what I'm going to do is something quite different because we have something new to offer on the channel. I'm not sure how much interest this is going to garner, but just for the heck of it, I thought we'll start making available some custom products for this channel from the Weighted Native Chronicles, so you can have some branded items. And I'd like to introduce you to that. It's something that I worked on for quite a while to get these products ready. And I'm going to show you 3 products here right now real quickly. And there are more actually in our online store. So if you're at all interested in this, when you see the any of the videos on the channel from now on, including older videos, if you go to the video and you scroll down a little bit, you'll see there's a line of products, some sample products shown on the bottom. And what you can do is you can click on any of those products to consider purchasing them, and they'll be shipped right to your place. In addition, you can also, once you're on a product, you can go up to the catalog tab on it and see all the other products that we have. So we have quite a few things here. It's a way for you to support the channel and also get something out of it in return. So I hope you enjoy this. It's not, I'm not saying that you have to get these things, but it's much appreciated if you do, and I hope that it also brings you some enjoyment as well. In addition to these products, we also have some electronic plans for building things like a shooting table, an outhouse, and various boxes for trapping that are on the Buy Me a Coffee link. And all that stuff appears in the description of every video that I put out. So you can also go there. I've sold quite a few digital plans that I've drawn up. I used to be a draftsman, so that you can just buy them and download them and have them right away printable for yourself to use. So a variety of ways to support the channel if you like. I mean, we also always have the Buy Me a Coffee and super thanks as well. And when you click like on the video and subscribe, all these things help. So let's not waste any further time. I'm kind of excited because I had my daughter-in-law order these items. I want to see exactly, like if I order them myself, then maybe everything works good. But I want to make sure that if you were to click on one of these products and you wanted to buy it, what would happen. So I called my daughter-in-law up and I said, here, buy these 3 items for me, please. I'll pay you back. And so she did, and these things arrived in her mail just day before yesterday. So maybe let's start off with this big box, eh? Okay, so this thing came on. I have a feeling there's 2 items in it because she bought 4 items in all, and they're all, so let's see what they are. And I'll maybe tell you briefly too what the other items we have available that aren't shown here are as we go along. Look at this packaging that we get. This is glassware, so I'm glad to see that the way they're packing this. I have 1 item here, and I have another one here. Wow, that is quite the packaging. Yeah, maybe what I should do, I'm gonna open up these other guys too, and then we'll do all the bubble wraps at once. How about that? Okay, so let's take this guy out, and this guy. Let's see. Yeah, I don't want to cut myself. Here we go. I'm just like a kid at Christmas, all excited. Okay, so here's another one. What do we got here? Now, some of these are maybe are produced. Oh, look at that. Hey, how about that? Can you see that? That looks kind of nice. It's just on one side I had it printed, but that's our logo for the channel. I think that's turned out pretty good. And this is a certain size cup. I think the other one here is another size cup. Let's see, where should I open this guy up? Ooh, okay, I guess along the top here. See what we got here. There we go. Okay. Oh, this one's packed a little differently. Let's see what it is here. Got a little packing slip. And how do you get this out of here? Okay, so this is another alternative to the cups we're doing. So can you see that there? Hopefully that's clear enough. Okay. Nice little cup. I put this one's a little more of a complex style with our faces on there. I'm not sure which ones people will like the most, so I made two different types. So here we got one cup like this, one cup like that. So we're that far now. Let's see what these guys are about. Okay, that one. Just got coming apart. Okay, let's get. Whoa! Oh, now that is a big. Now that's a mug. That's a mug. Somebody said to me, it says, "What I would buy one of these mugs," because I did kind of run it out there on a previous video. It says, "Would you be interested in buying these?" The guy said, I would buy one of those mugs if it was one of those big ones. So here you go, buddies. Whoever asked for that, here's your big mug. Compared, I think that's the 40-ounce mug compared to the 20-ounce mugs. And then this next one is then another 40-ounce, it looks like. My daughter-in-law ordered, so now we got two of these big guys and two of the regular size cups. So this one matches up with this guy here, I guess. And let me know which one, even if you're not buying them, let me know if you like them or not, and which one you do like. I mean, this 40 ouncer is a big mug. I mean, you could drink beer out of this too, I think, quite nicely. So, yeah, that's our little items for today. I hope you can see that well. A little bit of fun. So, yeah, I had to open those up on camera because that's the only time you can open them up fresh is just once, right? And so, like I said before, if you're interested, you can find my online store in the description as well, anytime you want, and it just brings up all the products. I mean, I have some more additional products. I've also got an insulated coffee mug, which I think is going to be nice. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but seems to be well made, and I actually ordered one of those in for myself already, and maybe I'll show that to you on the next video when it arrives. But that and one other thing or two other things. We have some T-shirts with I think they have this image on the back, and I think and they have a crest on the front as well. And I also have a long sleeve plaid shirt, which I think is appropriate for the channel. I'd like to have one of those shirts myself, so I'm going to order one. And it's nothing real fancy, but it has the Weight of Native Chronicles logo on the chest, so that also might be nice. So go ahead. After this video, I may add some more products as well. I kind of enjoy doing this stuff, and if it's something you like, then all the better, right? So all in the purpose of keeping the channel going, and I mean, there are expenses involved with producing these videos, and I'm not trying to become a millionaire or anything, but I want to keep this boat afloat as well at the same time. So I really appreciate all your support. So from the Weight of Native Chronicles, catch you next time. Did you like this video? If you did, I think you're gonna like this one right over here. So check it out. And I appreciate your subscribing if you haven't done so already. Remember to do that while you're watching this next video. Click like, it all helps us out for this channel. Catch you next time.